Welcome to another HEMA Explorer app lesson by Moto Trekken. In today's lesson, we will work on two great hidden features of the HEMA Explorer app, which is screen centering and direction tracking. If you have ever been using the app and lost track of your position on the screen, or you've ridden off the screen, this lesson will help you precisely track your current position for the entire ride. Look towards the top of the screen where you can see the compass is moving. Notice the target icon above the compass. This is a multi-function button that changes when pressed multiple times. I'll move the map away from my location. If you press the target icon at the top of the screen once, it will center the map to your current position. If you press the target again, you'll notice the icon change to a green directional arrow indicating that the map tracking is activated. It will now be tracking as you're riding along, keeping your position in the center of the map. It's important to note that if you touch the screen again, it will revert back to non-tracking mode. So, before you glove up and put your helmet on, make sure you're already in tracking mode. If you found this video helpful and would like to learn more from us, please like, share and subscribe to our channel.